Hi everyone, it is me, Jordan Long here, and today I'm gonna, make a film talking about, Braun Strowman, or Braun Strowman, always wondering why he has, you know, uh, sorry for that burp, but we'll go into the film now. Oh, so you've been burping and coughing in your films, and sometimes sneezing in your films. Yes, it happens. Well, you truly should not do that. Oh, why should I truly not do that? Oh, well, because it will give trolls and haters and bullies out there something to work with. Well, everything you say and do on the interweb always gives trolls and bullies and haters something to work with. You know, so they guilt me and shame me and scathe me and slight me for coughing, sneezing, or burping in my films. Big deal. They do it too. Yeah, you know. I mean, and it isn't like there's a followership oversight that covers things like sneezing, coughing, and burping in films. It's not like someone can flag one's film for it. I guess you're right, but some folks just think you should not do it. Well, sadly, it happens. The only thing I can say is I'm sorry for that cough and for that burp that happened in the beginning of my film, and that's it. I don't got so much time in the day to fuck around with, you know, either with, either with small, soft, clip fighter, which, yeah, more like film fighter. It's not a fighter, hasn't won no matches or fights in anything. Or play around with the Euro one. So I can cut out a cough and a burp that happened in the beginning of my film. Because I am so worried about what some troll, bully, or hater is going to say about it. Yeah, because there are folks that will say, oh, you should not do that. But they can't, it isn't like they just say, oh, you should not do that. And I guess the only grounds to let it come up with is that they think, it will give someone something out there to either guilt you or shame you for. But then again, they don't need help with any of that. And so it is what it is. I have made many films since the fifth month. Towards the end of the fifth month of 2003 between FYL. So, yeah, I believe that, and a lot of them did have coughing or burping or sometimes sneezing in it, but mostly coughing and burping. I don't know. I guess that's why some folks would say you should not do that, because they think it might make some folks not want to watch your films then. Yeah, well, I go, well, I can't help who's watching and who's not watching my work. There's no way I can get everybody to watch it and everybody's gonna like your work or understand your work or get your work. And if there's some folks out there that goes, oh, it was a big shift off of me because there was a sneeze. Well, I'm sorry about the sneeze. I'm sorry about the burp. Yeah, well, sometimes those things can't be helped. I mean, sometimes you do burp or cough or sneeze at a time or instead when you don't want to, but sadly it happens. And yeah, the only thing you can say is you're sorry. Or ask for someone to forgive you for it, but that's as far as it goes. Yeah, like you said, you don't got all the time to play around with the two film skimming tools, so you can cut out a cough and then a burp that happened in the beginning of a film that, I don't think anyone's going to make a big deal out of. Well, that was Braun Strowman with me on the film Why. Oh, you shouldn't cough or burp or sneeze in your films. Well, everyone does. Some might cut it or skim it out, and some do not. And if there is someone out there that's going to shame me and guilt me over it, well then, oh well, it is what it is. Alright, so there you go, just cleared my throat again. If you like this film, then follow me over here at the Jordan Long Fairway. Don't forget to share, thumb up, and playlist this film. And if you are new here, don't forget to hit that ringer to let you know when the next upload, live stream, or short's been done. And watch the other film I made yesterday over here. I, Jordan Long, or Jordan Mulan Long, and I'll see you later. Goodbye, farewell.